In this tutorial, you'll learn a simple way to import questions from a PDF file into a Google form using an add-on. To begin, type in the Drive search bar to find and open Google Forms. Once you see the add-on promotion, click the Try at No Cost button to start installing the required tool. Next, use the Search Apps field to look for the Import add-on. After entering your search, select the Automatic Install option to speed up the setup. If you need assistance, open the Help icon for support. When you're ready, click Try at No Cost to continue. Now, select the name input to customize your experience. When prompted, grant the permission the add-on requires so Google Forms can process your document, and press Allow to confirm access. To import your PDF, click the Go Automatically button. Once it's loaded, press Go Automatically again and submit to begin the import. After processing finishes, create your Google form with a single click, then open the form to view your imported questions. You can edit the form title or switch to the Responses tab to see results. If you want to revisit, select the correct form from your list. If you make a mistake, use Undo to revert the last change, or navigate back to review your previous work. To check or enter answers, select and enter details into your form fields. Now you know how to quickly import PDF questions into Google Forms for easy form creation.